Is it? Yeah, it's recording now.
Yeah, it's recording. You pressed the button. Of course it is. So
I was just checking.
we're gonna have a burp contest.
And I'm gonna win.
Yeah, she's gonna win.
But
I just want orange soda.
And just to entertain you Denmark dudes out there
Yeah,
who think I'm a
Denmark.
beast.
I don't know if you'll think I'm a beast.
Great. I'm not going to be able to drink it if you keep saying that.
I can't even burp. I'm a pathetic excuse for a burper. That was lame. That was like...
Really, really lame.
I can't burp.
And it sucks.
Shut up.
So we're going to the ambient ocean.
Dang it, she almost had it. I can't even burp.
Lame. I did it earlier. Dang it.
This sounds like one of my burps.
See, this puts a use to orange soda. Why else would you drink it? I don't know.
Unless you live in Denmark and you love orange soda. Oh. I suck at this.
That last burp hurt.
A little bit better.
Sometimes burps can be too strong. You must be careful.
She's a professional.
I am the professional here. Only way to wash down
I
a bad
haven't had
burp is
soda.
drinking more soda.
I haven't had soda in 25 days.
You broke the record.
Dang.
You still beat Felicia.
Yeah. Felicia's a lame-o. She only went 18. 25. And I could still go, but I really wanted orange soda.
No, she just wanted... Well, I just wanted to entertain you people. And Devan didn't want to be alone.
No. Ooh, I beat you on that one. Gross.
I love my talent.
Oh, that was lame. Barely heard that one.
Pepsi worked better. You're failing me. Oh wait, I actually had the whole thing then. I can feel it brewing.
You were brewing inside.
Let's see.
I'm out of soda.
I'm not. That was weak. Maybe I need food.
So we got Monday.
Dang it! Epic fail. There's no more.
You should draw mustaches on her face. Whoa, that's strong.
Think they can hit the camera from here?
I don't know, that'd be one heck of a way to say goodbye. Oh, fail!
Where'd it go?
Under the chair.
It made it that far? Oh,
By
it
your wall.
actually hit the